Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023, and not today, because today it's actually Thursday, May the 18th, 2023. It's today a session day. So no newspaper on today, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of Wednesday, May the 3rd, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the zero Sudoku. So now it's time for the Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 6455. Let me put this here, 6455. And it's indicated with 1 star. So I need to be faster for 1 star puzzle, faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box here and the single box there. This one is already filled in, the 1. Single box is always a 1. All right. Dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box, the 2 is already given. So those 2 numbers should be the 1 and a 3. Oh, well, we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1 and this box should be a 3. More triple boxes. No, quadra boxes. I see here 1 quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Well, this box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes, no. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. I've already drawn the 2 shapes in this of this puzzle. This shape here, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. All right. Here another one, rotated, no, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's 2 here. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, we have 1 L shape. Well, I draw this shape here instead of this one. I've drawn it at the other side, mirrored. Well, it's the same shape, so this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right, only 1 L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, 2 shapes, maximum are 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 5. But also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 here. That means that this box cannot be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here. Could be there. Well, we already have a 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5 for the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 1. For the 1. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Of course, we have a 1 there. Alright, so these 2 boxes, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. How about the 2 now? This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers also 4 and 3, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 supposed to be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Okay, and I've eliminated here also the 1. So the 1 goes here. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Let me think. Come on. 3 and 4. Okay. The 5 here. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Same situation for these two 1's. We have a double 1 there, so that means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a... Oh, we have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 also. So... 1 box left for the 2, should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be there then. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Let me think. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So if I eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 4 and a 3. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, faster than 50 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. So see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow Friday, last day of the working week. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Ascension Day.